Hi, mga mimi! This is your Miss R, your maarting mamamayan reacting. So, right now, we are waiting lang doon sa, ito, no, yung Darker Than This Sky.
The best way for
Darker Than This Sky feature ng Peanut Gallery Media Network, which was announced yesterday or the other day, na meron si Dr. Casey Halili na exposure of the darker side of Kong Leviste daw. So, it says January 21, 8 p.m. yung availability nung video or live stream, and we're waiting for it right now. Pasensya na kayo kung makain ako ng candy. And pasensya na kayo kung medyo ngongo ako kasi medyo may flu ako these past few days. So right now, let's just go into it and see. I-refresh natin kung available na nga ba talaga yung Darker Than This Sky Billion Billion Ghost Project ni Leandro Leviste or ni Kong Leviste. So let's go back here. Anong oras kaya yun? Live stream ba yun or video? Wala pa eh. Wait, dito daw sa Facebook. Try natin. Sa Facebook, if available na siya. View story. It's a story. Hindi naman siya story. Dapat live stream. So, wait. Ayan. Try natin dito, no? Wala pa naman dito. Wala pa siya dito. Anong oras kaya? Sabi 8 p.m. So here is the PGMN official YouTube channel. Refresh natin. Oh, wala pa. So asan yun? Video most likely. Wala pa, grabe late. Sabi 8 p.m. Ayan look.
Our new anchor, Greco Bellica, is personal friends with him. Attorney Rowena Guanzon absolutely adores him. So I'm taking this stand against my colleagues because the facts are the facts.
Okay, the facts are the facts. Sabi nyo dito, this will be available tomorrow. So kahapon ko to nakita. So 8 p.m. available on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, and Instagram. But right now, wala pa siya dito sa Peanut Gallery Network Media Network na videos. Wala pa, as you can see. Syempre, excited ako, no? Sabi, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Nag-adjust tayo ng mga time para dito. So, asan na? 'Di ba? Sa Facebook nila wala rin eh. Wait. Share. Refresh natin. Punta tayo sa home. Wala pa rin. Okay. Podcast? No, it's not podcast. It's a video report. Video essay, as they call it. Wait. Tingnan nga natin. Wala siya dito. Wala siya sa story. Hindi siya story. Wala pa rin dito eh. Wala pa sa Facebook. Walang bagong upload. Fresh. Wala. Sa YouTube. Refresh. Mali. Nasaan na? Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Refresh. There's nothing. And it's 8:06. Wala pa rin. Asan na? Home. Wala kang live. Walang video. Facebook. Walang bagong post. Uy, Efren Bata. Wala, ano ba yan? Ba't wala? Gabi ah. Late. Ba't ganon? Wala naman. Wala pa rin. Seven minutes. It's 8 minutes na. 8:08. Wala pa rin. Ano ba yan? Duwag ba? Wala eh. Late? Ano ba yan? There's nothing. I don't understand. Ba't wala pa? Sabi naman, di ba, Jan 21, 8 p.m. It's 8:09. Ano ba? Huwag na tayong Filipino time. Nakakainis na. Pangpawala ng momentum. Ano ba yan? Oh, 8:10 na. Wala pa rin. Ano ba? May last minute verification ba ng mga facts and documents and proof?
The best way for young people to climb the ladder as fast as they can is through entrepreneurship.
Here at
Hello, full episode drops tomorrow, Wednesday, January 21. That's today, 8 p.m. Available on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, and Instagram. It's already 8:10. So where is the expose? Peanut Gallery, where's the video? Where's the full episode? Ano ba yan? Where's the full episode? Wala. Walang nangyayari. Ito tayo sa Instagram. Check natin sa Instagram. Search for Peanut Gallery. Daming story. Wala naman dyan yung kailangan ko. Wala pa ring video. Look, here, oh, we're here. Sa Instagram. Wala. Punta tayo dito kay Dr. Casey Halili. Expose, wala. Mga highlights niya. Basta na.
Climb the ladder as fast as they can. The best way for young people to climb the ladder as fast as they can is through entrepreneurship.
Here at
Watch the full reel. There's nothing. This is just the it's just the parang preview. Oh, andito pa rin ako sa Peanut Gallery. Balik tayo sa YouTube. Walang bagong upload. Shorts. There's none. Posts. Sino tong sinulog ambassador? Wala. Balik tayo sa home. Videos. Wala rin. Hindi siya nagla-live stream at the moment. So, popular. Wala rin. Latest. Wala rin. CJ Hero is the anchor of the year ng PGMN for 2025. Okay, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. So, ito lang yung preview kahapon Darker Than This Kaya. And it's still not showing anything new. Wala pa rin sa Facebook. So, anong petsa ba talaga? Anong oras? Meron ba talaga? It's like 15 minutes na Wala pa rin. Excited pa naman ako. Grabe, nag-pushback ako ng mga bagay-bagay para dito. Tapos wala. Peanut Gallery Media Network. Ba't naman kayo sinaunang Filipino time? Pwede bang makabagong Filipino time na tayo ngayon? Like, actually be on time. If this is just a video, pwede naman yung schedule Hindi naman siya live stream. Maintindihan ko pa yung delay pag live stream. But if it's a full version of the video, pwede naman yung nakaschedule ng alas 8 ng gabi for tonight as you announce dito sa inyong preview.
The best way for
Like here, Like here.
yan, sa biling.
Video essay. Basta na! Nainip na ako. Hungry na, hungry. Magiging hangry na. Wala, delay yung upload. Why? Why is that? I'm gonna message here. Asan na yung full video essay? 16 p.m. na, oh. Jan 21. Abangers kami. Hahaha. Wala. Joke naman eh. Ano ba naman yan? Ano ba yan? Ba't ganon? Wala. There's no video essay. Eight 16 p.m. Jan 21. Still no full video essay version. Yan, nag-comment tuloy ako. Sa Facebook. Kasi, much to do about your premiere, but tas wala. Nag-apologize ka na nga dun sa premiere mo.
The best way.
Apologies for the delay because of the need to get every detail of this expose perfectly that had to pass through PGMN's fact-checking department. Yan Legal department and public perception team. Everything checks out. Tomorrow night at 8 p.m., we'll sit on the chair and provide a single, most detailed, explicit, and comprehensive piece on how Lian Leviste made billions from ghost projects through the Department of Energy. Note that if a troll farm is sent, our staff is ready. We're all for freedom of speech, but we also understand the game. It's not free if it's not from real people. Casey worked extraordinarily hard to research and write this, and we want to protect the work. So much to do about your trailer. Tapos wala yung full video essay. So, paano na? Ano na? Wala pa rin. 20 minutes na. Ano sinabi nyo, 9 p.m. na lang. Wala. mean, parang this is nagiging ano tuloy eh. Nagiging noise lang tuloy. Wala pa rin. Naamoy ata nilang magre-record ako kaya kaya dinelay yung video. Or nangailangan ng more fact-checking. Kailan ba yung interview ni Leandro kay kay Miss Karen Davila where he explained ano yun, di ba? Hot topic. Saan na yung hot topic? Search natin. Hot topic. Karen Davila. Sa ANC yun, di ba? This was 11 hours ago. So, after this, did you have to like go through your video piece again? Dr. Casey. And again, double check your sources and your script and your video. That's why it's already 8:24 p.m. Wala pa rin yung iyong video. So, is that why? But if you have to double check it again after the explanation of Kong Leviste dun sa interview with Karen Davila, then maybe you should have seek for the side of Kong Leviste first to double check yung facts mo, yung sabi mong facts mo, before you came out with your trailer for your video essay. Kasi yung delay niya ngayon, hindi masyadong maganda yung dating, for me. Being that it's already 25 minutes late from your broadcasted video, full version of your video launch. Wala pa siya, oh. So, I'm sensing something you might have to redo, recheck with your video essay because of yung mga sinagot ni Kong Leviste sa interview with Karen Davila, I believe this morning. Parang akala ko ba may facts ka, Dr. Casey? Ano ba? Excited na ako sa mga i-splok mo. Wala namang palang mai-splok. Ay, nako. Dahil mo sinabi sa trailer mo eh. Ayan oh. Wala naman pala. Yes, may numbers ka pa. Yes, ayan o, yung mga potentialing nawala. Well, actually nawala sa atin, which could have been potentially produced for us in terms of yung electricity, di ba? Pero nawala because of the corruption in the DOE, because of the hardship in doing business with the DOE, as expressed by Kong Leviste na rin. May mga paganyan-ganyan pa. Diba? May pa ganyan-ganyan pang interview at snippets. Pero wala pa rin yung ano nyo, yung video nyo. Ano ba? Anong oras ba? Anong oras ba lalabas? Wala. Ito yung latest sa Facebook nyo. This post on Mig Zubiri. Ito yung kanina pa, 34 minutes ago. This one, 10 minutes. Senate Majority Leader Mig Zubiri is pushing for a reset of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao's long-delayed parliamentary elections, warning that continued postponements weaken the very idea of self-rule promised to the region. So this one is the latest one. Nasaan na yung kay Kong Limiste? Nakakainit na ng ulo. Wala. Walang expose. Ay. I don't think ay, ayan, nawala na pala. Nag-stop recording. Nag-stop sharing. Wala talaga. Buksan ulit natin yung Facebook, ha? Oh. Recent post is yung kay Zubiri 13 minutes ago. 8:30 na. 30 minutes ago, you're due to upload yung video nyo kay Kong Leviste. Where is it? Yan o, darker than the sky, ah. Where is it? There's nothing. This is kind of disappointing, you know? There's nothing. So maybe because of the interview of Kong Leviste dun sa Head Start, like here, no? Wait, Hindi ko ilalabas yung audio, but like this one, yan, where he explained yung mga questions ni Karen Davila about his firms, the contracts, the permits. Siguro, I don't know, napaisip siguro si Dr. Casey and needed to triple check, quadruple check her facts. Her facts. Because sabi niya, facts don't lie. So, I don't know kung ano nangyari, bakit wala. I mean, 30 minutes na, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin yung full video essay niya. Which I suppose, she ran through the top executives, the legal department, as she claims dun sa post nila ng trailer niya. Everything needs to check out now, and everything checked out. So, where is the, ito so where is the, sabi niya dito, everything checks out. So, where is the full video essay? Dr. Casey, ano na? What happened? So, well, disappointing as it may be, I don't think you have your straight facts. I don't think you have your facts straight. Ay, naguluhan na. But I don't think you have your facts straight to have this much delay with your expose. Ikaw naman ang gumawa niyan. Ikaw naman yung nag-research niyan. Ikaw naman yung nag-counter-check niyan. So, what happened? So, I guess we'll just do a bit with the interview of Kong Leviste with Karen Davila, pero maybe later on na yun, because I am feeling na mawawala na ako ng boses any moment now. Charot. Medyo, yeah, if I keep on talking pa, I have a feeling na mawawala na ako ng boses and mauubo-ubo na ako. But anyway, as you can see here, it's, I don't know if I can show or if you can see the time, but I posted here, nakalagay 12 minutes ago. It's 8:16, wala pa yung video. So, I think something happened. I mean, what? Nag-chicken out ba? Or wala, ayan Last look, it's 8:34 p.m. So, para maniwala kayo kung anong oras at walang nagaganap, no? Ayan, see? Nakita nyo ba? Ay! See, ayan. Yan. Ay! Yan, 8:34 p.m. Wala pa rin nagaganap dito sa channel ni Peanut Gallery. So, this Billion Ghost project ni Leandro Reviste is still the trailer. Okay? The full video didn't launch ng January 21, 8 p.m. because it's already, as you can see here, it's already 8:35 p.m. Wala pa rin. So, that's it. That's all I can say. Maybe dinelay nila or they needed to do some editing even more and some double checking. So, I guess that's it. So, well, for the first video that I'm gonna upload here on my new channel, that's it muna for this episode. Thank you for watching. Wala pa ako naisip na sign off line, pero yeah, this is a new channel. Welcome to my new channel, the Miss R, your Maarting Mo, Mayan Reacting channel. Bye for now.